Hey guys, so I've got a bit of a different content this time. So I want to break down bachata moves that I recently learned or have learned in the past, and I just thought it would be a cool way to show how this move is executed. And the reason I want to do this is because for the past year, there's not a day that I don't think about this. Like, I make it a habit every day to break down videos, bachata videos. If you see my folder, my photos folder in my phone, I've got more than 800 videos, bachata videos that I break down. And usually I just break it down for myself. But I just thought I might do it for you guys as well. And the reason I was inspired to do this is because I just finished watching the NBA Finals Game 3, in which my team, the Lakers, lost. And so I have to endure so many videos for the next 48 hours until the next game starts about every single play that went wrong. And I enjoy those kinds of videos because it gives you so much insight, and I feel like it's applicable to bachata as well. So let's start with one video that one move that I really like. It's a slide, like a slide 5, 6, 7, 8, but it's a got a different twist to it. Okay, so the first video, I've got two videos because they are a variation. So this is the simpler one. Let's have a look. Did you catch that? Here we go. Two small slides, and I'll slow it down for you so you can see. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and he slides on 5, 6, and then again on 7 and 8. And I just thought it was really cool because he's playing with the musicality. And this move was from last year. This year he made like a modification. It's a bit different, it's a bit cooler, and here's the video I want you to see. Slide, slide. So he's sliding on 5, 6, but he repositions his body and then does another one. And then that one was also pretty cool. It's very musical. So I want to break this down. Whether or not you change your body positioning, in this video he changed his body to face a different way. The concept is the same. So let's break down what's happening with this video because the lighting's a bit better here. So he's going in for the prep. Now, this is super important. If you just pay close attention, on 4, they're really like shifted to the left. They have Lewis have taken all the weight to the left, and for the girl, it's on her right. Because if you have experienced when you try to do a slide, but then the legs was so heavy, it's probably because you haven't fully transferred the lady's weight to your left. Or if you're a lady, he hasn't really completed the move, so you're still maybe your weight is in the middle or is in the opposite leg. So he's prepped on to the left. That's very important. And then on 5, 6, 5, 6, you see that if you want to do 2, it's crucial for you to go back to pull your feet back. This is for the ladies, because sometimes when I do a slide, the leg is lagging behind, and that makes it hard. So if the guy has finished the move, has gone up, that's when you're supposed to pull your legs back up. if you drag it behind, then it's going to be impossible to do this move because your legs aren't in the right position. And in the next part, and unless the guy really drags his movement, you will see from his body, if he drags his movement, he will also drag his legs, and then so that can fill up the whole 5, 6, 7, 8. But 7, 8, this scenario, we want to do this. So if you see 7, 8, they are, the Lewis slides his hand a little bit down, and then uses the bottom part of his hand to pull her torso first, so that there's an effect of the lady's head like lagging behind. See this, he utilizes this part so that Andrea's head is the last to come back, and he doesn't complete the move. He doesn't let her finish face to face, but just before that he sends the energy back. So what's important to note here is that everyone's weight is on the left. You need to complete the legs. The legs shouldn't be lagging behind. Lewis, for the leaders, if you want to change position, then you just have to rotate your body, but make sure when you're rotating your body that you, at the same time, your hand is ready, at least the bottom part of your hand is ready to pull. And here, before you go up, before he finishes, he sends her back. That's using energy. So that's it. That was the first video ever of me breaking down a bachata move, and I really enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. And let me know if you have any feedback. This is literally the first time, so anything you want to see, or of a different format, I'll try my best. If I could make it better, I would definitely try to make it better for you guys. Let me know, and maybe see you in the next one, maybe. And do all that good stuff, the subscribe, like, and comment and everything. Thanks.